For 9 years we've been coming here, Rob has watched kids jump off of Mr. Jim's boat. Today he just did it. I missed his first jump, but now I've got the camera, so if you come to Torch Lake and you've not jumped off the mayor of Torch Lake's boat, you're missing out. It's a good time. All right. You got it, dude.
Do you want me to come with you?
Nice.
That heart like stopped.
Yeah. Wasn't bad though.
Yeah. Okay, that kind of seems fun.
So it's probably 15 feet deep where I am right here. Probably 10 feet where he is. And 3 feet at the back of the boat. This is like the most aggressive part of the drop off at the Sandbar. So cool.
My foot just got hurt from that one.
Why?
I must have had
4 batteries so far. Drone is perfect. Yesterday was just a total fluke. It said there was like magnetic interference or something. I don't know, but yeah, still good. Still have the drone. So hope you enjoy watching, and yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.